In one of our last videos, we have seen how to define a tool and how to use it in an agent. So we had defined a get weather tool and then we were passing it using the tools option in LLM Agent. And it was working as I expected, but there was one problem with this. What if I try to ask multiple cities weather at once? In that case, how this particular tool is going to get called? So is it going to get called sequentially or is it going to get called in parallel? So let's try to explore that. So first of all, I will just open my terminal and I will just try to run this code by using ADK web. So I will navigate to parent folder and then I will just hit ADK web. Let's navigate to the URL and from here I will select custom method. And then I'm just going to ask several cities weather at once. So what's the weather in Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, London, and Texas? So I'm asking for 5 cities weather details at once. So let's go ahead and try to submit it. And we will wait for the response from agent. So in this case, you can see this get weather is being called 5 times. So we will wait for this to be completed first. And here we do have the weather details. So for all these 5 cities, we have got the weather details. But let's explore like how this particular tool got executed. So I will go to trace and I will just click on this. And here we can see the 5 tool call got executed. And then here are the corresponding time. The total call has taken this much millisecond. And you can see the first call got executed in 6134 millisecond. And after that, the second call got executed, and after that the third got executed, and that's why the second tool call bar is getting started when the first tool call got completed. And similarly, the same relation we can see in the second and third and fourth and fifth. So in this case, we are able to get the weather detail, but all this tool call is happening in the sequential manner. First, we are able to get the first city output, then it is going to get called the second one, then we are going to get the second city output, then the third, fourth, and fifth. So eventually what would happen in that case, the total call what we are going to get, it is going to take like several milliseconds to get it completed because we are having all these tool calls getting executed in the sequential manner. But what if we have to execute all these calls in parallel rather than waiting for one city response to be completed first? We want like all these 5 call to happen in parallel. In this video, we will see like how we can make tool calls in parallel. So for that, I will just go to my code and I'm just going to create another folder, which is going to be the parallel tool call. Rest of the things are going to be same, init.py, .env. The agent.py we have to write in a bit different way. So I'm just going to take all the code what I have over here and then I will just paste it in this case. Now, just to make a parallel tool call, the first thing what we have to do is whatever method we are defining, it has to be asynchronous. And in Python, we can make anything asynchronous using async. So we have to convert our method into asynchronous mode. And after that, actually, we are calling this particular endpoint using the request.get. By default, this request is also going to be the synchronous one. And we need to have a asynchronous alternative of this request so that like we can call this endpoint in parallel. And for that, we have to import another package and that is going to be aiohttp. If you don't have this particular package installed, then you can install it using pip install aiohttp and it will install this particular package. I do have this particular package already installed in my system. So I can directly just go ahead and use it. So I have my endpoint defined over here. Now just to call this particular endpoint, I'm not going to rely on request. I'm just going to use this particular package so that like I can hit this particular endpoint asynchronous way and it will enable us to call this particular endpoint in parallel. I'm just going to use the same method which my copilot is recommending. So in this case, you can see rather than calling the endpoint like request.get, we are creating a session using this async with aiohttp.client session, and then we are using this session.get method to call this particular endpoint, which is going to give us a response. And whenever actually we are calling any method, because we are using async, so we have to use await, and same thing actually we are returning over here. Now this particular code is not required in this case. I can just remove it. Now our code is ready. There is no changes required how we are calling this particular tool, it is still going to be same. The only thing is whatever tool we are defining, we just have to make sure this has asynchronous functionality. Otherwise, we won't be able to call our method in parallel. So I just have to go ahead and I'm just going to invoke the terminal once more. So I will just hit this endpoint. I will go to the agent again, and this time I'm going to use this parallel tool because this is a new folder which we have created. And I'm just going to call same question once more and wait for response to be completed. So you can see here also we were able to get a response. Now the interesting part is we again have to go to trace. And in this case, you can see how these calls are happening. So rather than waiting for first call to be completed and then executing the second one, you can see all the bars are in parallel. And that's why the total response, whatever we are going to get from here, this is going to be much faster than what we were achieving earlier. So earlier, it has taken like this much millisecond to execute it, and you can see the difference how the responses are coming over here. And if you compare it with this, you can see the response were going to be much faster because all this call happened in parallel. So this is how actually you can invoke your tools in parallel mode. That's all what we have in this video. Thank you for watching.